Replace all your clunky mobile accessories with the $40 Wonder Cube.
That's kind of cool.
Wonder Bread, Wonder Bar, Wonder Cube.
Yeah.
You get all. It's a Wonder Pack.
The trifecta.
Well, this looks like it's a bunch of different adapters and cables, but instead it's in the form of a cube. If you have an iPhone, you probably keep a charger and USB cable close by. Yeah, probably. But what if you didn't have to? The Wonder Cube Pro is an all-in-one mobile key ring that packs 8 different accessories into one tiny unit. Footprint so small, in fact, it measures just 1 inch in every dimension, so you can easily keep it with your keys or attached to the zipper on your bag. Well, let's see what we get here. It's $40. It looks to me you have a USB A on one side, which flips up and folds up. Then you've got a Type C on the other end, flips up, folds up, and 2 adapters which are housed in there as well, including the ability to go to Lightning for your iOS device. What is this, a Kickstarter type deal, or maybe it was at one time? It looks like it's just available right now.
Yeah,
$39.99. Or a 2-pack for $79.99, which is a 32% savings.
I think it's just a really cool device.
Oh, wait a sec. You can also use it as a kickstand.
Yeah.
And here's what it looks like attached to a purse.
Looks like a little transformer.
We could do a short form piece of content.
Yeah, we should. It's pretty cool.
Let us do a short form piece of content.
Wonder Cube.
Or is that what we just did? We just made a clip.
Yeah.
Yeah. So, I mean, Justin, you make a good point. I'm 100% losing a piece of that in the first week.
Yeah. Doubles as a fidget spinner, too.
Small, easier to lose. What can I tell you?